Now we'll look at the classify function, and the classify function is another one of those functions where you don't start with a prompt. You start with a data set. In this case, it's a list of fruits and vegetables, and you want to sort them by category. So I want to sort each food into the fruit category or the vegetable category. So I'm going to click in the cell next to apple, and I'll type the formula, which is =, GPT underscore C. For some reason, classify isn't in the menu of functions, so you have to type GPT underscore C and then select it. And then I'm going to select apple as my input, comma, and my range is the categories fruit and vegetable, and closed parentheses. Press enter. And I get the cell next to apple is filled in with fruit. Now if I drag down, I should fill in the other cells. And so the other cells are filled in. In a couple of cases, instead of just putting in vegetable, they made it plural, vegetables, but that's okay. Notice I didn't have to use that little bit of $ coding that we had to use with the fill function. Now we'll look at another example. Here's a list of professional sports teams, and I want to organize them by their league: MLB, NBA, NFL, NHL. So I've got 4 categories instead of 2. I'll click in the cell next to New York Yankees, type the formula, =, GPT underscore C, and select classify. I select New York Yankees, comma. The range is going to be the 4 categories of leagues, close parentheses. And I found if you have more than 2 categories, you do need to put the $ in the range. So I'll put a $ between G and 73 and a $ between G and 76. Press enter. So it filled in MLB next to New York Yankees. I'll click in the MLB cell, drag down, and we'll see how it does. So we take a quick look, and it correctly categorized every team by its league.